I'm going to share the final step of adapting to BLW feeding approach and making your mealtimes happier. You learned about the first 2 steps in part 1 of this video.
If you notice that your child is cranky and it is not their usual nap time and nothing else seems to be bothering them, it might mean that they are still hungry. In this case, do step 3. Reattempt the meal by offering the same food again. Put your child back in the high chair with the same food.
You can heat up the food, change the shape or size of it, but ensure that the content of the food remains the same. Ask me in the comments if you want to know why am I suggesting